So here's how you do this one. This one's problem number 3. Number 4? This one's problem number 4 on today's assignment. Okay? So here's how you're going to do it. You know this part. What do I got to do to the 4 to separate it from the x? What do I got to do? Minus 4. So then I go minus 4 here. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other, right? Minus 4 here. Yeah? Okay. So, I'm left with negative 3/4 x equals, what? If you have 2 negatives and you add 4 more negatives, what do you have? 6. Negative 6. Okay. Everybody good here, right? Yeah? The next step is to try to turn this into 1. Okay, and this is where I'm going to explain it to you. You got to take the reciprocal of this fraction, which is what? 4/3. Yes? Negative. Let me tell you why it's 4/3. Because once you actually multiply them, this is 4 times 3. What is the bottom one? 3 times 4. And what is that going to give me? 12. And what's 12/12? 1. That's why I end up with 1. Does that make sense? So then this cancels out because it's 4/4, right? And this cancels out because it's 4/3. So now I'm left with x equals. Is it negative 6 or what step did I miss? Look what I did to this side. What did I do to this side? I multiplied it times 4/3. So what do I got to do to this side? Multiply it times negative 4/3. Does that make sense? Yes?
No.
Okay. So then, negative 6 times negative 4 divided by 3. Or I could simply do it like this. Because a whole number over 1, it's still that same whole number, right? So now I have 2 fractions. Okay. So then I'm going to multiply straight across. Okay, right?
24/3?
Straight across. So I have negative times a negative.
Positive.
Positive, right? Positive. So positive 24. 1 times 3/3.
But don't,
And you simplify that, and I'm left with what? I have it. Positive or negative? Positive. My answer is x equals 8.
Mr.